Hey, in front of me is Honor X7 and today I would like to show you where you can find all text correction options on this Honor. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then choose System and Updates. Now click on Languages and Input, Microsoft Keyboard, and finally Typing. As you can see, all typing features are located here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just tap on the switcher next to the chosen one, or click on it and pick one of available options by clicking on the best one for you. For example, gestures. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!